See here, total linear momentum of the system of the particle is, or that is P is equal to, here we can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2 plus mn vn, and this can be written P is equal to m into v. So, total linear momentum of the system of the particle is actually the product of the total mass of the body, mass of the system, and velocity of the center of the mass. If you differentiate it, you will be getting dp upon dt is equal to m into here dv upon dt. So, we can write dp upon dt is equal to m into a, that is equal to F external. If you are taking F external is equal to 0, then you can write down dp upon dt is equal to 0. That means P is equal to constant. It means if external force on the system is 0, then the total linear momentum of the system of the particle remains constant. This is known as principle of the conservation of linear momentum in case of the center of mass. Now, see here vector product or cross product of two vectors. Suppose you have taken two vectors A and B. So, there cross product is defined as like A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta, and that is your C cap. So, the cross product of two vector is also a vector whose direction is perpendicular to the plane of the both the vectors A and B, and cross product of two vectors A and B is defined as the product of the magnitude of the vector A and B and the sine of the smaller angle between them. Suppose you have taken vector A to this side, vector B to this side, and this is the smaller angle between them, then A cross B will be in this direction. So, if you are moving A to B, then it will be here in this direction. So, this is the cross product of two vectors. See here, very important here to find the direction of A cross B. Take care, direction of A cross B is always perpendicular to the A and B also here, and this direction can be given by the right handed screw rule or right hand thumb rule. Simply see here, the right hand thumb rule is here. If you hold the, suppose this is a pen, you hold the pen, pen is like this and you hold it by the right hand in such a way the fingers are going from A to B. So, these fingers are curling from A to B because we are doing A cross B. So, when the fingers are curling from A to B, then the thumb is pointing in the direction of A cross B. So, the direction of A cross B is in the direction of the thumb.